Hi guys, Malcolm here, free range pig farming in South Africa. We had a cloud break today, lots of rain, and we have a little stream down there that got flooded. Now the problem is we've got some pigs on that side of the river with piglets, and so is this side with piglets. So I want to go and check that they're right, and also that they can cross the river tonight to go to their dens where they sleep. If they can't cross, obviously they'll have to sleep that side. But first, let's go and have a look. Well, as you can see, we had some good rain and much better sight than before winter. I mean, before winter I could walk through the dam. So this is a sight to enjoy. As you can see, this little piglet is lost. I'm just going to try and push them in the direction of the sows. Oops, that one's going the wrong way. There we go. Turbo. I'm not too much worried about it. Pigs can swim, piglets can swim, but better safe than sorry, so I'm gonna check. Well, as you can see here, the grounds are pretty wet. We had some excellent rain. The dams are full again, first time in three and a half years. So I'm not too much concerned about the pigs, but I just want to check that they're right. We have to get under this fence here. Yeah, it's nice and wet here. I'm sure the pigs enjoy it. A lot of earthworms in this rich soil. So yeah, I just want to basically make sure there's a place they can get over. As some of the piglets are only about 3 weeks, I'm sure they can get over here. Oh, here's a sow with some piglets. I'm pretty sure it's not all hers. They're stuck on the side of the river. There's a couple of pigs there with piglets. And some ducks there in the back. Oh, doesn't look if there are any small ones here, but the big test will be at the fence. No piglets lying here, so that's a good sign. It's only the one up the stream that didn't make it by the looks of it. I don't want to talk too loud now, but she's a bit wary. So what we've learned here today is that we can prepare ourselves better for the next storm. Maybe build a wooden bridge that can carry the weight of the pigs. So when the river floods again, they can walk over the bridge and be safe. So we only lost one. That's not that bad. Could have been much worse. But I still think that we should get onto this right now, fix the problem, so we don't have this experience again. If you enjoyed the video, guys, please like and subscribe, and I'll chat to you soon. Cheers.